It is very early in the morning at the Amata Industrial Estate. The first service people have already started their work. A new day is about to begin. At the Amata Spring Golf Course, golfers are taking their early morning swings. It's the time for the morning rush hour at the entrance road, where thousands of people are entering the estate. It will be another busy day at Amata. A working mother drops off her daughter at the kindergarten.
This is very convenient for me to having a kindergarten in an industrial estate.
The Amata staff is getting ready to serve their clients. A full-time job with 1,000 factories from 27 different countries. Amata's Chief Marketing Officer welcomes his first client of the day.
Let me explain some more detail about Amata Industrial Estate.
In Thailand, Amata is located on the eastern seaboard. The World Bank called Thailand's Eastern Seaboard Development one of Asia's most successful large-scale projects for industrial development. Its automobile industry output alone eclipses all other Southeast Asian regions. Amata Corporation PCL was established in 1989. The success story that followed made Amata one of Thailand's leading industrial estate developers. A large part of the success is due to the strategic locations of the Amata sites. They are ideal and right in the heart of industrial development zones. In Thailand, there are two sites, Amata Nakhon in Chonburi Province and Amata City in Rayong Province. In Vietnam, there is Amata City Bien Hoa at Dong Nai Province, near to Ho Chi Minh City. The Thailand locations are fully connected to Suvarnabhumi International Airport, the country's major seaport Liam Chabang, and an excellent highway network. The nearby cities offer living for all budgets, local and international education, lifestyle, and recreation. The Dong Nai province, where Amata City, Vietnam is located, is listed as one of the country's top provinces for industrial development. It is strategically located near Ho Chi Minh City, Tan Son Nhat International Airport, the new Long Tan International Airport, and several seaports. There is a good traffic system with major highways and the North-South Railroad. Amata specializes in planning, developing, managing, and marketing integrated industrial estates. The company strives not only to provide a location for businesses, but to create integrated cities with a range of services designed to support its client companies and the people who work for them. For industry, this means full industrial services and a safe, reliable infrastructure. For the environment, this means healthy environmental practices as illustrated by ISO 14001 certification and commitment to zero discharge waste management principles. Amata's water company manages the sourcing, storage, treatment, and recycling of all industrial wastewater.
The wastewater is treated and used for cleaning and watering of green areas, and also used for cooling of power plants at the Amata estate.
A good electricity grid from the Provincial Electricity Authority of Thailand is available for all clients at the estates. Amata B Grim Power, a small power producer, is also available. serving selected clients in need of steam, an extra stable power supply, or other related services. Now lunch hour is approaching. At Amata, Thailand, hundreds of people are enjoying their lunch without having to leave the industrial estate. At Amata Nakorn, the marketing team is enjoying their lunch with a new client.
Our goal is not only to provide land and factories, but to provide a total service for our clients' business needs.
Value-adding services like transport, warehousing, logistics, and engineering services from Amata Group subsidiaries or joint venture operations are hallmarks of Amata Industrial Estates. Additional extra value is added by a free zone where client imports and exports clear customs within 24 hours and are exempt by the Thai government from paying duties. Amata Summit Ready Built offers investors alternatives to land purchase or land lease by providing ready-built factories for immediate leasing. The buildings range from 1,000 meters squared up to 5,000 meters squared, complete with office space, utilities, and landscaping. Amata has built a strong regional platform which serves a global clientele. Amata is proud to have gained so much trust and confidence from its investors, like the Usui company from Japan.
Amata に来て13年になります。13年間の間に当初の200人の従業員から今現在は2000人を超える企業にまで、大きくなりました。これもAmata という立地を生かした優位性が我々の企業を伸ばしてくれたおかげかなというふうに思っています。
Amata, through its visionary founder Vikram Kramadit and his talented management team, always have an eye on the future and constantly strive to achieve perfection. This unending quest has led to smart and modern towns with schools, healthcare facilities, shopping opportunities, recreational facilities, and a banking street that is currently home to 6 major banks. The business development team is constantly looking for partners to share visions, ideas, and new services. Several projects are in the pipeline, like Amata Science City, expansions in Vietnam, and a Myanmar industrial border town. The working day at Amata Estates is coming to an end, but the day is not done for Amata. It continues to provide its clients with the special services they need for rich and rewarding lives. Amata means eternity in Sanskrit, a fitting description of the company's commitment to create cities that drive economies for all eternity.